Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch, so let's tap on the Zepp icon to open the app. Once the application opens, you should see the homepage. Now tap on the profile icon. Here find the Amazfit GTR 4 on the list of my devices and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the unpair button and tap on it. Tap on unpair, tap on got it, tap on unpair again and wait. After a couple of seconds the watch will disappear from the list of my devices and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. At this point you can close the application, wait until the watch is done resetting, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.